some fun gifts.
Today we have a big box of gifts.
Yeah, I have
Pretty bowl?
like all the time.
There's no way, right? I got it.
You guys ready to open this up?
Yeah, I'll be one with
Alright.
the bowl.
Hey, the bowl.
I
Alright,
won't
that's not your
keep
gift, alright.
I want to keep that pose.
Okay, later. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, for you, Haley and Milena, we got socks. These are not any socks. They are, let's see, they're Adidas socks.
They're just the outsole.
Those right there. And what do you wish to get? Stinky. Look what I got for you. More socks.
What are these socks for?
We love socks. Whoa. These socks, let's see what kind of socks are these. Wait. These ones are called Umbro. Oh, that's cool. Very okay. Let's see what your next gift is. Alright. Ta-da! Camera. Show the camera. These. Oh, open it up. Okay. One for you. You're small? And they're Adidas also to match your socks. Alright, what did you get? Ooh, we got the same ones. What was this one like? They look different. And these ones are from Umbro as well.
And you can see like the two different. This one is lighter pink, and this one's darker pink,
But
and
I
this one
put
has
them
more
on.
colors on it. So that's the difference in the ones that are the difference.
That's the difference.
They don't open it.
And the difference of the socks are this one's
White.
white and they say have like this little thing.
Yeah, that one says Umbro.
And this is a pink sock and has only a little bit of words.
It says Adidas.
And this is pink with a little bit of gray right here. So that you can know the difference of the socks.
Hi.
Alright. You guys ready for the next gift?
Yes!
Alright, what do you think it's gonna be? So you got socks. Then you got, these are called shin guards. And what do you think it's gonna be?
Toys.
You want toys? Well, let's find out. What do you want? Toys?
Ah.
But guess what? We got toys. That's yours. That one's yours.
These are not toys. This is wrapper.
Oh,
Game of Thrones.
shoes.
Shoes.
Ooh, look, they match your socks. They're
And if you want to know this,
Adidas.
and you can see the back. At have a little phone.
Those are cleats. Cleats. These are socks made
And
for
they're going
shoes.
to go like this. Watch if you wear these, they're going to go like this. I think they go like this. I think that's how they go. I think.
Think? Alright, we'll try it out right now, okay? Let's put it right here. Alright, let's see what we have next. You ready?
Yes.
Alright. Whoa, this is an Adidas
I
ball.
don't want ball.
Okay, this way. Alright, you ready for your gift now? Alright, let's see what else fits in this box. Whoa! Check that. It's a soccer ball? And this is also.
I think
You don't know why that's 3? Okay, this number 3 says it's for players under 8 years old. And you have an Adidas ball, see? This one,
I'm 6.
yeah, it's children
I
under 8.
fall.
I mean, children, official size and weight for children under 8 years old.
What do you say?
And yours,
Fall.
but actually it says it's an Arturo ball from Umbro. And yours is also a size 3 for players under 8.
And if you like touching, you go like this. It's a little bit squishy, but it's
Let's
not
touch
that.
it. It's nice and
It's a little
soft.
bit soft.
They don't open it.
So, how do you guys think you got all these gifts? These
Oh,
are-
because our channel is called Fun Gifts, and these are like fun. Like I like these purple shoes and the purple socks and this.
What about you? What do you think is happening?
Because these shoes are like pink, and I like pink mostly.
I'll show you. But why do you think we got these gifts for?
It's because the channel's swing is.
But because you're going to soccer practice today.
Yeah, look. Look. Spider-Man.
You know, where are you going? Soccer practice. Alright, now I have one more special gift.
Let him get it.
Ta-da! What do you think it is? Let's hope so. What is that? Powerpuff Girls. Yeah, Buttercup, Bubbles, and Blossom.
I like the bubbles.
These are gonna be soccer socks. And we went to Dick's Sporting Goods. We got the whole set here from them in a package deal, so it came out really nice. Again, that's with Dick's Sporting Goods. And then we got the socks at
Spirit store.
the Spirit Store.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I how we do.
So they're also.
Spirit store.
Do you like the Spirit Store?
Yeah,
Scary.
I'm very.
And what else do we get at the Spirit Store?
There are cats and hold on. And see the little button on here and we're pressing.
Alrighty, that's cool. You like that?
Hey, what did you get on my shoe? What you get on my shoe?
Shoe on my-
And if you want to know, these are socks.
Yeah, they're gonna be soccer socks, but I guess you could use them in a costume too. That's why we got them at the Spirit Store.
So if you're wearing since you're wearing a Blossom costume or a Buttercup costume or a Bubbles costume, since you're wearing a Bubbles costume, you want to use bubble socks to match with it.
And you
Or you can have some special powers when you kick the ball.
will you focus on?
Oh, you ever think about that?
Will you focus on or no focus on?
Another Buttercup sock? Alright. Well, thank you for watching Fun Gifts.
Bye.
Oh, no, wait.
Subscribe, hit
Hit
like,
like,
Share.
share, and bye.
Alright, thank you for watching.
and hit like.
Yeah. Alright. Bye-bye.
And tell us what you think about these awesome stuff that we got. We only have this toy.
And let us know if you like soccer.
Unless you know that you like Powerpuff Girl shows and you have a Powerpuff Girl.
And who's your
costume.
favorite Powerpuff Girl?
Yeah.
Alright.
Leave a comment.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye.